Hello guys, a very happy new year to you everyone, wherever you are watching this video. And I want to use this opportunity to actually say thank you so much for all your support all these years that I opened my channel. I don't know how to thank you. Like, you've been so wonderful, you've been amazing, and I want to really appreciate you and say thank you so much. So now, this video I'll be reviewing the Cerave Blemish Control Cleanser. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare in this channel. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting and you like what you're watching, support this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and also the subscribe button will keep you up to date when I upload videos like this. Okay, for my regular viewers, my regular visitors, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, honestly, I am so grateful for all your support. Anyhow you've supported this channel by being part of it, and also leaving your comments, and my DM is always full. I don't know how to explain it, but I thank you so much. I appreciate you. Keep this channel growing. If you want me to review any product for you, I am equal to the task. I will try my best to do it, and I do read all your comments. Even though I may not reply all of them, but I do read it, and 3 times a week I do slide through my DM to see your messages, and I'm trying my best as well. So but this is a requested video, as you can see, so I do read all your comments. So keep them coming and keep the support going. Thank you so much. Now let's review this product. A lot of you know how I love Cerave, and the reason is because Cerave is a good brand. A lot of dermatologists do recommend you use Cerave, especially if you have skin issues, the likes of blemish, oily skin, dark spots, and Cerave is also good for skin of color, because it doesn't have any fragrance, it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So they are one of those brands that has consumers' interest at heart. Sorry for my voice, is a bit grumpy because I have flu. Yeah, so I bought this. Actually, I bought it last month. I've used it a few times, and I'm gonna do a demo in this video to show you how I use it. Okay, but it all depends on how you want to use it, and I'll be telling you what I think of it, about this product, if it's something that you should actually go and buy. Especially, it says here that it's for blemish control skin. So blemish control skin, any skin type can have blemish. Oily prone skin can have blemish. Combination skin most times do have blemish skin, break out once in a while, dark spot, which is what I get once in a while, and acne prone skin as well. Your skin is, a lot of times our skin develop issues based on, most times, the hormones, irritation from using skincare products, or even from your diet. So once in a while you can get all those problems that you don't want to see on your skin. Okay, so I'll be reviewing this product and then I'll tell you what I think of it. Okay, so this is a cleanser. First thing is, it has 2% salicylic acid. I love salicylic acid. It's an ingredient. It's part of the it's a chemical exfoliant. So salicylic acid is an AHA. Is an exfoliant, and what it does, it helps to unclog pores. Salicylic acid helps to remove dark spots and blemishes, and also help to control your sebaceous gland from producing too much oil. So you help to control oil production on your skin. So if you have oily prone skin, salicylic acid is one of the ingredients that you should always look out for when you're purchasing. Is that cleanser or an exfoliant, you should use salicylic acid at least 2 or 3 times a week. Have it in all your skincare products. So this cleanser has 2% salicylic acid. It has niacinamide. Niacinamide is also an ingredient. Niacinamide is it's an active ingredient, and it helps to get rid of any blemish on your skin. So it's a very good ingredient. Niacinamide also is good in keeping wrinkles away from your skin, keeping your skin looking fresher and smoother when you use it consistently. Okay, and it also has 3 ceramides. Ceramide is also an active ingredient that helps your skin looking young, helps your skin looking very hydrated. So it's more like a moisture content ingredient. So it's very good. Okay, so this cleanser has these 3 ingredients which I love when it comes to skincare. Okay, now the truth, I'm gonna use it. I've used it, so I can actually tell you what I think, but I want to do a demo first, and then I'll wrap it up by telling you what I think about this product. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I want to say something about this product. You can use it on your body if you have acne. A body acne. Actually, you can use it. My nose. Oh my god. Now, time to wash off. Can use it in the shower though. I'm only using it like this because I'm doing a video. So now, this is what my skin looks like afterwards, before I will start putting any serum, maybe lather with my skincare products. This is what my skin looks like. Most times, the first time I used it, my skin looked a bit dry afterwards, but it wasn't like too bad. Okay, but after that, then I don't know what happened. But as you can see, let me come closer. As you can see, it's called Blemish Control Cleanser, but my skin doesn't look dry at all. Okay, it doesn't look any dry. I don't feel any blemish, I don't feel any irritation. This cleanser is good. I noticed that after using it, my skin feels very fresh. Very, very fresh looking, very smooth. after a couple of days, I noticed a huge difference on my forehead, because I usually have loads of oil on my forehead after, a day, maybe up in the morning time before night, I will start getting like loads of oil breakouts on my forehead, especially my forehead. But since I started using this cleanser, the oil has become less visible, and it didn't break me out. It doesn't dry my skin in as much as is oil blemish control cleanser. The reason is because of the niacinamide and the ceramides that it has. I think that is why it's not causing any dryness whatsoever, even if it's blemish control toner. Because a lot of blemish control toners can really dry out your skin, because they are trying to reduce oil production and trying to work on your acne and all that. So most times they do, but this particular cleanser doesn't. So it's something that if you want to buy it, yeah, I do recommend it. It's good. You can use it 2 times a day if you want. If you do really have a bad blemish on your skin, you can use it 2 times a day. At night, you can like double cleanse with it. Use your cleansing oil first and then this afterwards. You can double cleanse with it. But aside that, I don't even think you need to double cleanse with this, because blemish control cleansers are strong because they are working on skin issues. So you can use it like that. You don't have to double cleanse with it. I don't double cleanse with it. If I'm only when I'm using other cleansers, then I do double cleanse. But this one, I'm kind of a little bit careful that I'm not cleansing my skin too much, because too much cleansing too can cause issues on your skin. Okay, so the price is here 11.50 euro, because of the part of the country where I live, they use the euro. I don't know how much that will be in dollars or any other currency. Okay, so it is something that you need to get if you want. This one that I got here, you can get it in the pharmacy or any drugstore. Okay, it's not hard to get. Okay, so yeah, I do recommend it for blemish prone skin. Another thing I noticed was that I had few breakouts that time of the month, and after a week of using this, it actually dried out the pimple that I had. It dried it out, which is what you probably notice if you start using it. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Now let me go back with let me finish it up with my other skincare products. My hyaluronic acid serum, and my moisturizer. Now, this is it, okay? This is what my skin looks like afterwards. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. Mwah.